Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Sam here, and today I'm bringing you a new video. Today is a very exciting day because I'm about to go ahead and pick up a part for my BMW because I'm about to start this interior build, and I'm gonna give y'all a little hint. I gave y'all a little hint on the last video. Some of y'all got it, some of y'all didn't. Okay guys, look at how clean I left my car so I can record this video. My car was hella dirty and it's very clean now. I wonder what it be. I wonder what it's gonna be. Alright guys, we just pulled up to my friend's job, but it's kind of like raining, so I'm not gonna bring the camera out, but I'm gonna show y'all what I pick up. By the title, y'all might know what it is and all the hints I gave y'all, but I'll go pick it up right now. Hopefully this is a good start for my interior build. I know a lot of y'all guys told me to start it, so I'm about to go ahead and start it. And I think my friend just got here because the gate is opening, so let's go check it out. Yo, look at what Marco's got. He's the guy with the E39 and he got a 335i. Jesus. Crazy story is that I was gonna get this one, but he beat me to it like 2 days before I was gonna get this one. He went to go get it, but I'm happy for him. I'm very happy for him because this car is beautiful, and I'm buying the part for him. He hooked it up too, so dang. Hey, this is the steering wheel, guys. Ain't it deep dish?
Yeah.
A little bit?
Yeah, a little bit.
It looks good. Guys, can y'all see me in this 335i? Comment down below. Just know it's coming soon. He also got a manual transmission, which is hard to find. I'm very happy for him. I'm looking for a manual transmission too, but I gotta be patient. I can't rush to anything, so I can't wait to get mine and be chilling with all the homies. Shout out to Marcos, he really did hook it up. It looks so good. So right now we're about to try to go home. If it's still raining, I'm not gonna install it, but if it's not raining no more, I'm gonna go ahead and install it. I'm very excited. Finally I get an interior mod after a while, and I'm telling you, I'm gonna go hard on this interior because I'm just kind of motivated to start working on the E46, because when I see his 335i, I get motivated to get it, but then again, I don't have it, so all the motivation that I have is gonna go to the E46. So I'll pick this vlog when I get home. Ooh guys, my BMW looks so good when it rains. You can't even tell I got a carbon fiber trunk, but I'm ready to put the wheels back on. It's gonna match my steering wheel. For those who are new, I'm gonna show y'all how my wheels look like. That way y'all can see how well it matches. But like I said earlier, me and my girlfriend, we cleaned my whole interior, fully detailed. That way we can go ahead and make this video. Look at this ugly fat steering wheel compared to this one. And this one's gonna be a quick release. I feel like I'm gonna have to buy the same color shift knob, that way it can match, but I can't wait to do this. I have never installed this before, but I'm gonna give it a try. Ooh, still works after being so old. So I'm about to go ahead and disconnect the battery. Hopefully it goes out good. Okay, so we're about to go ahead and disconnect this, get all the things out the way. Guys, my interior looks so clean. I haven't seen it this clean for a minute, but I'm ready to take out this steering wheel and put the new one because I hate this fat steering wheel. I'm ready to see if it's like a difference or something, but let's go ahead and put it on. I'm gonna figure out my way how to take the steering wheel out. It shouldn't be too hard because I seen a couple of videos and it looks very simple, so let's go ahead and do this. Alright guys, I just removed the T-Rex. I think they were like 30. I think that's what you call it, T-Rex, the 31. Should come right off. This is the airbag. Other thing, the battery is disconnected, so you're gonna have to do that. Let me just start disconnecting all this harnesses. Okay guys, I got it loose with the breaker bar. I'm not really showing how to do the steps because there's a lot of better YouTube channels that can explain it way better than me. So I'm just recording after I do the steps, but I got this little loose. Let's go ahead and loosen it. I'm so excited guys. Comment down below what you think I should add next. I'm thinking about a new touchscreen radio. But I am gonna do the headliner and everything. That's why I got everything off. I just need to find a warm day because I don't have like an inside garage where I can do it inside. Gotta find a warm day, that way I can do it and do the shift boot and everything. But yeah, this bolt is loose. I'm so excited to start working on the interior. They told me to put it back a little bit, that way it won't hit your face. Let me just tie it up a little bit. Let me go ahead and wiggle it. Okay. I don't know why Big T's not here. Let me see if that did it. You want to put the bolt in, because if you just pull it back, you might hit your face, and that's not good. So dang, that was very simple, very easy. Yeah, it's dirty in here. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, all this dusty parts, and try to put the new one in. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up because that's very dusty, and I want it to be perfect. But here's the nasty old steering wheel. This looks so bad, but I'm gonna keep it because one thing I've noticed that every time I upgrade something, I'm gonna be needing the old OEM part back just in case I want to pass inspection or something. I don't know how the laws are here in my state, but I'm gonna keep this on because I don't think I can put the airbag back on. So let's go ahead and install this quick release and then the steering wheel. I haven't been this excited to install like a car part in a long time. I know I haven't been uploading a lot of installing videos. That's what y'all guys like, so I got y'all guys. I'm working on it, but I'm so excited. I had never done this before. It's always like a first for everything. Then once, if I want to upgrade to a steering wheel like for a different car, I know how to do it. But let's go ahead and install the steering wheel because it's enough chit chat, so let's go. Okay guys, I got it on, I got it lined up. There's a little line where you gotta line it up. So far so good. I'm so excited. Thomas over there working on his car, so he'll be in the vlogs. I know y'all miss him, so I told him he has to be in the vlogs. All right guys, I'm gonna install these little bolts. What I like doing when I install stuff like this, I like going opposite from each other. So if I put this one right here, I'll tighten this one right here, and then if I put one right here, I'll put that one right there. All right guys, I'm about to go ahead and put the steering wheel on. I was having some difficulties. I don't want to say what it was, but I was dumb because I have never had a steering wheel. But let's put it on. Let's go. All right guys, I'm repositioning the steering wheel because it wasn't straight. Now it's straight, so I'm about to go ahead and put all the little bolts back on and see how it looks and get some cinematics before it gets dark. I also got a little tiny mod I want to add, but it's just a little tiny mod that will complete my interior. So let's go ahead and put these bolts on. Okay guys, the steering wheel is on, and just will you take a look, it looks very good. It gets me motivated to start working on the headliner now. I want to get a new shift out to match this, that matches my wheels. I don't feel like taking out all my wheels, but those who are subscribed to my channel knows that that kind of matches to my wheels. So let me go ahead and get some cinematics for you guys. Oh wait, I got one more little mod to add before I can do the cinematics. Okay, the wheels look so good guys. Now this is the next little mod. It's for my little phone. Just put it in the air vent. Hold on, I'm gonna put it right there. And since I got an iPhone X, my iPhone X got a magnet on the back, and all I gotta do is just place it there. It will not go nowhere. Ooh, my interior looks so good. Now I can hear XXXTentacion all the time without having to switch music, you know. I do also want to upgrade my radio because this is the thing that makes my interior look ugly right now, but I'm gonna replace it soon. So if any company want to hit me up and give me a radio, I'm down for it. Or if you want to give me a little gold shift knob or something, I'm down all for it. So I'm about to go ahead and do some cinematics, and hopefully y'all guys like them. Alright guys, I've really enjoyed this steering wheel. I'm about to go give it a test drive to see how it feels. But shout out to Marcos once again. He's always hooking it up and he always helping me when I need his help. Let's go ahead and give it a test drive. We went to go pick up the steering wheel with his car and something bad happened. I don't want to show y'all, but Thomas said to show it. Thomas actually cracked his bumper. Once again, what number bumpers that you bought? Like two? 3? I don't know how much bumpers Thomas had been through, but we should be fixing that soon, but it won't be a video. Alright guys, so far the steering wheel feels so much better than the stock one. It is a little too back, but I still drive like I drive with my seat all the way back. But the steering wheel feels amazing. I don't know why people complain about the turning signals. I don't even use them, but they're not that far. People just lazy nowadays. But oh, that's me scraping. It feels good. I like it. Let's see. Alright guys, I'm about to go ahead and end the video. Drop comments down below and drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed the steering wheel or if you hype about my interior build. Let's take one more look at the steering wheel. It looks so good guys. This is only the first step. I can't wait to add more. I can't wait to work on the headliner, everything. If any company want to hit me up for a shift knob, I'm down for it. But if you enjoyed the video, like I said, drop a like, subscribe if you're new. I got big things coming for the interior. Hope y'all guys like the steering wheel. Shout out to Marcos once again for hooking it up. He's the biggest homie. But thank you guys for watching. As always, it's been Cervantes Garage. Stay humble, stay blessed. We out. Peace.